I'm Matt Bouchard with REIT.com here in La Quinta, California for REITWise 2013, NAREIT's Law, Accounting, and Finance Conference. I'm joined by Melisa Lishner, Director with Crystal & Company. Melissa, here at REITWise, you led a discussion on D&O insurance litigation. Is this an issue that's on the rise, and why so?
D&O litigation, even though federal class actions have slowed down, we anticipate that that is not going to continue. There are a number of reasons for this. First of all, with the economy slowly strengthening, you end up with more transactions which require more documentation, which require either shareholder approval or just more scrutiny over those documents. So whenever you have a transaction, you are going to get noticed. And with mergers and acquisitions, you have a 95% chance of getting a claim once the transaction is announced, generally within the first 14 days. So it's not going away.
And what are the biggest trends regarding D&O litigation affecting real estate companies?
Well, aside from the mergers and acquisitions, there's a number of other issues that appear to be on the rise. The first is executive compensation. The say-on-pay advisory votes in the REIT world, every time the shareholders have disapproved of the board's recommendation, there's been litigation filed. I think there were 5 disapprovals, 5 cases filed. So that's definitely not a good indicator. In addition to that, there's more development going on now. And again, with development, you have joint venture prospects starting, and you generally get a lot of litigation out of those, either from joint ventures dissolving or people not being happy with the way the joint ventures were progressing.
And if you could give NAREIT members one piece of advice regarding their D&O insurance, what would that be?
Meet with your carriers. Sit down and tell your story. You are the best people to tell the story of how your company is doing and how you expect it to do in the future. You can't get everything out of reading a 10K or a 10Q. Face-to-face meetings are definitely the way to go.
Melissa, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.